Okay, y'all, so today I'm going to be installing this beautiful wig from Asteria hair. I love this company, y'all. I've been working with them for a while, and I normally do voiceovers, but today I was like, you know what? Let's just do something a little different today. Let's talk, and I'm going to be explaining to you guys what I do for my... I already did my bob cap, and if you guys would like to see a detailed video, I have other videos on my channel, and if you guys want an updated one, which is not much that I do differently, but yeah, if you guys want another one, I'll do that for y'all. This wig has some beautiful curls, as you guys seen in the other clip, and yeah, I'm just ready to get it started. So of course I'm going to go ahead and cut this cap off my head. This is the HD cap that I use from Asteria hair, as you guys can see, and yeah, let's just go ahead and cut this off our head. Okay guys, so I already have my cap cut and everything. As you guys can see, it's already blending in pretty well. But I'm going to take some of my black spray. This is by Eben, and this is the extreme hold one. And I'm going to spray a little bit on my head, and then I'm going to use a blow dryer to make sure that I pretty much slick this cap down. You guys will see. All right, so next I'm going to take my Ruby Kisses cream foundation. I have the level 10 and 11, and I'm going to mix them because that matches better with my shade. If you guys would like for me to do a video on how I match my shade, because it does fluctuate. Sometimes I'm a little bit darker in the summer and I'm a little bit lighter in the winter. So I'm just going to mix these two and get my perfect complexion color. And I just gently dab at my hair. I don't go in too far or do too much. Sometimes it's a waste of product, so I just kind of reinforce it to go where I want it to go. I'm kind of interested in a middle part. I believe I'm going to do a middle part, but I'm going to do this part, and then I think I want to wear a part on this side if I do a side part as well. Now I'm going to take this little smaller brush, and I'm going to trace my hairline with this brush, since it kind of deposit product a little heavier, and it's perfect. So you guys know a lot of times wigs are coming and they're 4 inches in the middle and then 2 inches on the side. This is a full 13 by 4 lace frontal wig, and the lace is literally, it's cake, like it's beautiful. Before I put this wig on my head, I'm actually going to just go ahead and kind of see how it looks on my head. See if I have to, you know, cut some extra hair, or just kind of like give a general ballpark of where I should apply my lace. Yeah, this hair is already so beautiful. So for my specific hairline, I don't have any extra to cut. This lace is literally perfect. The hairline is cut perfect for my hairline, and yeah, we finna get ready to install. I'm going to be applying this glue. It's the Erica J Hold Me Down glue. This is a staple. I've literally been using her glue for years. So I like to start backwards first. And the second layer, that's when we're kind of gonna stretch it out a little wider to make sure that we have a good space, amount of space of glue, because sometimes that's why installs are not lasting. You kind of putting on this thin strip, even though you're putting on 3-4 layers, you're putting on such a thin strip of glue. You kind of want to widen that space so that you can get more coverage with securing your lace. This wig is already pre-styled, so you want to make sure you get this middle part lined up perfectly. I always lay my lace down where I'm going to be laying the part first. So since I'm wearing the middle part, I'm going to lay it down in the middle first. If I was wearing a side part, I would kind of like focus on this side here if I was wearing it on this side, and then I would do the same thing for this side if I was wearing it on this side. And then now since I'm wearing it in the middle part, I'm just kind of going to gently lay the rest of the lace from here. You want to be gentle because you don't want any bulging. And gently push that glue into the lace and into the heat. So we're gonna just take our hot comb. Today, Asteria, what we looking like? Tell me this not gonna eat. Tell me this is not sure that our ear tabs are cut, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that real fast. My ear's looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and proceed with cutting the rest of the lace. So now my whole hairline is cut. I'm gonna go in with my Erica J glue and I'm going to just reapply in the areas that slipped in a little bit. Go in and pull those hairs forward to help reinforce your lace where it needs to be. Okay, I think for this look, I think I'm gonna do a little bit of more dramatic baby hairs. Okay, so I wanted to come back and I wanted to show you guys a little bit of a difference of how much I had plucked. This is what isn't plucked. Still looks really, really good, really, really natural. And then this is what is plucked. I didn't go too far, I didn't go too deep, but I definitely wanted a little bit more of a pulled back look. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this side again, and then I'll come back to be super nice, super pretty, super big, not super big, but pretty big, really fluffy. But I want them to, I don't know, I just want them to eat. So this is what we finna do. We're just gonna get into it.
She just loves being sexy.
So I am gonna try out some moves today, y'all. I'm just trying out something different. Try this lace. My brush. And I decided to lower my camera so y'all can get the big reveal. So I'm just gonna start by combing out this top part. Straight out of the box, combed out. Curls are nice, big, fluffy, they're beautiful. However, I'm definitely gonna recurl them. y'all. Like, this hair is just everything. Go right down the middle. Y'all, this is my new favorite wig. This is my new favorite wig. Like, the versatility is there. I gotta call my friend.